Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Weavr Embedded Finance Review My Usage Experience. Weavr Embedded Finance Review My Usage Experience offers embedded finance solutions for businesses. It aims to simplify the integration of financial services, like payments and lending, directly into existing applications. Their website provides details on their APIs and SDKs, allowing developers to seamlessly incorporate these features. Their website highlights the ease of integration, emphasizing a streamlined process and clear documentation. They boast a robust and scalable infrastructure and claim to offer competitive pricing with no hidden fees. They mention support for various payment methods and lending options. Availability is likely dependent on geographic location and integration with existing systems, details of which can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Weavr Embedded Finance. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. Their documentation was well written and easy to follow, and I had my test environment set up within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed key metrics and provided access to all the necessary tools. I specifically integrated their payment gateway into a small e-commerce project I was working on. The integration process itself was seamless. The performance was excellent, transactions processed quickly and reliably. I had a quick question about customizing the checkout process, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful code snippet. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive reporting tools. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile-friendly developer console. I found myself constantly switching to my desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Weavr Embedded Finance. It exceeded my expectations in terms of ease of use and performance, and I'd highly recommend it to developers looking to integrate financial services into their applications. That's my overview of Weavr Embedded Finance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.